Today I'm making s'more cinnamon rolls with a marshmallow frosting. First I have 1 can of these s'more cinnamon rolls. I'm going to add them into a greased cake pan. The icing that it came with, just put that to the side. We're going to use that later. Next I have some mini marshmallows. I'm going to press them into all the cinnamon rolls and then bake this at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. While the rolls are baking, I'm going to make the frosting, so in a bowl I have 7 tablespoons of softened butter. Next I'm going to add a half a cup of marshmallow cream. Then I'm going to add the icing that it came with. Mix that up until smooth. Then add 1 cup of powdered sugar and mix that up until everything is combined. Once the s'mores rolls come out of the oven and they cooled for about 10 minutes, I'm going to add dollops of the frosting. Here's an up close look at the s'mores roll.